Good morning. This is Daniel, the Passive Cash Stacker, and today we're going to be doing a review of Kwestify. This is a keyword research tool that lets you dig into keywords, niches, questions people also ask, and it shows you how your customers are actually searching and what they are searching for. Now, the number one thing about Kwestify is that not only is it keyword research, and you see right here, it's got the niche digger, the keyword competition, custom keywords, the top 1,000 keywords. You're able to ask AI for title generators. It has the people also ask, related search, people also search, and keyword discovery. But the number one thing about this is that it is a simple, intuitive keyword research tool that also links directly to AI WiseMind. Now, if you guys have seen my previous review on AI WiseMind, I'll have that link up above. But if you've seen my previous review on AI WiseMind, it literally allows you to make entire websites like in 2 minutes. You're able to set campaigns to run automatically, and it does reviews for Amazon. It does product reviews for any platform that's out there. All you need is the name and the link of the product. It also does informational posts, comparison posts, all that kind of stuff. And the great thing about Kwestify is that you're able to find low competition keywords, and then you literally just click a button and it goes over to AI WiseMind, starts a campaign, and it creates content from all of the low competition keywords that you have selected so that you can promote whatever product you're trying to promote or you're trying to get traffic to your website. This is super powerful. Now, it is getting ready to go live in about an hour. When you see this video, it will be live, but it is a definite no-brainer. And right now, they actually have some really good pricing on being able to get Kwestify and having different options. So it shows you all the stuff that I told you right here. People also search for, people also ask, the top 100 keywords, keyword competition, niche research. This one is super powerful to be able to find low competition niches, but it's simple and intuitive. We're going to get in the back office and I'm going to show you exactly what it looks like. But this here is a no-brainer, especially if you are using AI WiseMind. This is a must-have. Now, if you decide to pick up this offer through me and get Kwestify, if you get any of the recurring plans, I am going to be giving you my newest course, which is the Beyond AMZ Influencer, which is going for $199 right now, which shows 20 different ways to monetize each piece of content that you create for UGC content. So like user-generated content, review videos. It shows you how to make money just past Amazon. So you don't need to just have Amazon. You're able to make money many different ways. Plus, my new training that is getting ready to go live, you're also going to get that, which is the backdoor option to be able to get approved for TikTok Shop Affiliate, which is currently on fire. And I'm going to go ahead and give you a custom MyGPT to create video descriptions for your TikTok videos just by putting the product name. Now, this ties in really well with Kwestify and AI WiseMind. So not only are you able to find low competition niches for products that are out there that you can promote, but as soon as you find that, you're able to do instant reviews on Amazon of whatever product you choose, and you're able to use my training to be able to make long-term income on that one video and post that you do with AI WiseMind. So being able to get Kwestify to be able to find all of the low competition niches on things you should promote, and then being able to instantly promote it on AI WiseMind and knowing how to make lots and lots of money from all the different avenues you can use your video for. They go hand in hand. Plus, I'm going to also have a behind the scenes training of Kwestify to show you how to be able to use these in my way while using it with AI WiseMind. Let's go ahead and get in the back office. You can go ahead and check it out real quick. So it is super simple and intuitive. Right hand corner, it's got tutorials. It goes to the YouTube channel. Now you have campaigns, tickets if you have any issues. It's pretty simple and intuitive. Billing shows what you are doing. Team. Now this is really good. If you have a VA or you have people that are helping you with this, you have the ability to go ahead and set up your team slug, the email that you want them to be able to log in, and they're able to log in and do work for you, do keyword research, and AI WiseMind also has a team function so that you can have them do your keyword research and start posting all of your article campaigns for you so that you can just let it run on autopilot. Now, one thing that I forgot to tell you on my bonus, I will also be giving you access to my $199 outsourcing training masterclass, where I was showing you how that I picked up 12 VAs to be able to do a lot of my back end stuff so that I could save a lot more time and spend more time with my family. I'm going to show you how to do hiring, firing, how to save money, and how to get most things automated when you're doing your outsourcing. I'm also going to include that training as well. So you're literally going to get, so in the campaign, all you do is you come here, you select new campaign, and then you select what you want to do. Niche digger, keyword competition, top 1,000 keywords. People also ask related search. Now, one important thing to know, whenever you are running, when doing your research, this one is very important. So using any one of these, it's going to be 1 credit for every keyword. But when you do the niche digger, because it has to get out there and do a lot more work on the proxies, it's actually 3 credits for every 10 keywords. So being able to do the research, you can go ahead and limit how many keywords that you want, and then it's going to tell you an estimation of what the cost is. Now, like I said, all the rest of them are going to be 1 credit for 10 keywords. And the reason that it is credit based and you have to use the credits for your keywords is because they have to use proxies to go out there and actually get it. So basically your credits are paying for the proxy use to be able to go ahead and do this research. So let's go ahead and grab in here in Niche Digger. Let's go ahead and get inside and see what we can do. Now on the top, you have the type of campaign that you're going to run. Now you actually have a drop down here where you can go and you can select a different campaign if you want, but it shows you here the type. And then let's go ahead and say what we're going to do inside here. So let's go ahead and look for passive income ideas. And then you can go ahead and generate a random niche list. You can use a list of little known niches, find sub niche ideas, and find niche products. So this is what we're going for right here. So I'm going to go ahead and look for some sub niches. And so we can go ahead and say here what we are looking for. And then we're going to look for 100 different options. And you can start as little as 500. You can go all the way up to 1,000. And remember, for the niche digger, this one here is 3 credits for 10. Everything else is 1 credit for 10. So let's go ahead and do 100, and then we'll go ahead and create. So you see here that we actually have our campaign running. So it tells you what your campaign name is, what type it is. So this one is a sub niche idea, progress of how many keywords it is currently running, how long ago it was created, and when it was modified. So you see here that it currently has 13, and it's only been like a couple of seconds. So it already has 13 keywords out of 100, and it shows you how long it has been working. There we go. We are done. We have 100 out of 100. So we can go ahead and click on it, and it will have all of our sub niches that we can go ahead and do research on. So on my main niche idea, I'm looking for passive income ideas. So things that create passive income. And you see right here, dividend yielding stocks, rental properties, peer-to-peer lending, high yield savings accounts. So this is a wonderful list of information where I've got the first 50 here. I can go ahead and sort here from 5, 10, 25, or 50 per page or all. And it will go ahead and show me all of my niche ideas. Now, the great thing is you can go ahead and click here and you can see what your specific niche is looking like. And right here, we have it on Google, we have it on Amazon, we have it on YouTube, and we also have it on Google Trends. So it literally finds the niche for you, and then it pulls all of this data for Google, Amazon, YouTube, and Google Trends so that you can do fine-tuned research on it. Now, the great thing about this is how easy it is. Remember I told you how easy it is? So look, we can go vending machines, mobile app development, royalties, right here. So we can say the ones that we want to create, and then we can come here and we can actually click on AI WiseMind, and it will automatically create articles on these specific niches. Now, if we want to go ahead and take this niche and then do keyword research for that niche to find longer tail keywords, we can also create content just like that. The click of a button, we can create a campaign for the long tail keywords or the niche itself. So super, super intuitive, super easy to use. And just imagine how easy it is to seamlessly do the research, create the content, and create a campaign, run it in the background so you're not spending tons and tons of time blogging or working on your blog. Super powerful. So remember, if you feel like this is something that you want to go ahead and jump into, if this seems like something that can solve a problem for you and bring you a good solution, click the link below, take advantage of it so that you can go ahead and claim my bonuses. I look forward to seeing you on the inside and being able to take advantage of this for your toolkit. Thank you so much for watching. Daniel, the Passive Cash Stacker. As I said, once again, this is a Kwestify review with exclusive bonus. Thanks for watching. I'll talk to you later.